Hello, children. I'm your English ma'am. I'm so happy to come up with this interesting session today. Let me take you to the next level of grammar from the lesson in a nutshell, part 5. Grammar conjunctions. A conjunction is a word which connects two words or classes or sentences, phrases, and shows the relation between them. They are used to avoid making the text seem like bullet points and to make the text flow. Here is a pep activity to boost up your brain. Recall that a linking word joins words, phrases, or sentences. So, conjunction is a word which connects the two words. Okay? And phrases. What do you mean by phrases, children? It is a group of two or more words that expresses a single idea but do not form a complete sentence. Okay? Sentence, which means it gives a complete idea and complete meaning. Okay? So, conjunction is nothing but it connects the words, phrases, or sentences. These linking words are called conjunctions. Now, filling the blanks in figure 10 to revise the conjunction that you have learned so far. So, already we have learned, we just recall the conjunctions. Write the functions of these conjunctions as well as example of how they are used in a sentence. So, how the conjunctions are used in the sentence, and as well as we are going to know the uses. And so there are two uses of and. One, joins ideas that follow one another. Okay? Ranbir was fussy and did not like to eat vegetables. So it follows the idea why he was fussy and he did not like to eat vegetables. So it follow idea one another. Second use, links an idea that is the result of another. So for this example is, rain began to fall and the creek rose rapidly. So this is the result of the rain. Due to the result of the rain, we can see so many plants rose rapidly on the ground. Okay, children? So, it is the result of another. Because of the result of this rain, plants grows rapidly on the ground. Now, are. Use of are. To suggest that only one possibility can be realized. Example for this is, do you prefer coffee or tea? So you have to take any one idea. You can work hard or you can fail. You have to work hard or you can fail. So you have to take any one idea. Filling the blanks with the suitable conjunctions to complete this song. I opened my lunchbox at noon. What's there for lunch? Brinjal, radish, dash some carrot sticks to crunch. So what will come here? And. Okay. Next. Oranges, bananas. Then what will be the next? An apple to munch. So what will come here? And. Look at Rohan, my best friend. He is always eating, dash drinking. What will come? Eating or drinking either chocolates or cola. Alas, good for health is neither. In teams, compose your own tune for the song. Sing it together. So it is a song. Shall we sing a song, children? I opened my lunchbox at noon. What's there for lunch? Brinjals, rice, and some carrot sticks to crunch. Oranges, bananas, and an apple to munch. Look at Rohan, my best friend. He's always eating or drinking either chocolates or cola. Alas, good for health is neither. Next, this is the activity from your book, Look Deep. Ranbir is telling his friend about his efforts to eat healthy food. Read their conversation aloud. So it is a conversation between Ranbir and Rahul. Ranbir: I don't like papayas, but I still eat them. They are good for my skin and health. Rahul: That's great, Ranbir. I'm also trying to eat more vegetables. Does Ranbir like eating papayas? No. Yes, that is the right answer. Now, observe the word but in the statement made by Ranbir. It is a conjunction that links two different ideas or actions. I don't like papayas. I eat them. So these are the two sentences which has to be contrasting ideas, which gives the contrasting ideas. I don't like papayas, but I eat them. We use the conjunction but to join sentences that express different and contrasting ideas. In this example, Ranbir does not like papayas. However, he has to eat them. These are two contrasting actions. So the two contrasting actions, for that cases we should use but as a conjunction. Here are few more examples. Ranbir wanted to go to school. He was ill. Ranbir wanted to go to school, but he was ill. So these are the two contrasting ideas. Here the ideas of wanting to go to school and being ill are contrasting. Ranbir likes music. He cannot dance. Ranbir likes music, but he cannot dance. The ideas of not being able to dance and liking music are contrasting. Now you can clearly understood the but uses. Now write one sentence of your own using the word but. Briefly describe contrast in your ideas. Here is answer. I have fever, but I go to school today. So these are the both contrasting ideas. I have fever, but I go to school today. So even though you have fever, you go to school today. So contrasting ideas, we are using but. Tips for this. We usually use a comma before but in a sentence. For example, I like fried food. Comma is there, but I know that too much of it is bad for health. Yasser likes the rains, but the roads get very dirty during the rains. Here we are using commas. Look deep. Ranbir eats papayas though he does not like them. Why does he eat them? Discuss possible reasons. Now, the conjunction because is used to convey a reason for an event or idea. So we are going to learn about because. In the example, look deep, Ranbir eats papayas because they are good for health. He does not like to eat them though. Ranbir says, I eat papaya. It is good for my health. Why? What is the reason of eating papaya? It is good for my health. Here is a sentence. I eat papaya because it is good for my health. So whenever there is a reason, we should use because. Observe that the word because expresses the reasons. for Ranbir eating the papayas. Though he doesn't like them, he wants to eat them. We use the conjunction because to convey a reason for an event or idea. Here are more examples of sentences using because. Ranbir reached school late. He was stuck in traffic. Ranbir reached school late because he was stuck in traffic. Ranbir gets up late. Ranbir goes to sleep very late. Ranbir gets up late, but he goes to sleep very late. So, here it tells the reason. Write a sentence of your own using because. Briefly describe the reasons conveyed. I'm happy today because I bought some toys. So, because of this reason, you felt very happy. Okay? Next. Here is an exercise. Exercising or playing a sport is an important way to stay healthy. Describe 2 sports or games that you like play in about 100 to 150 words. Include details such as. So you have to write the paragraph. Okay. So in this paragraph you have to use the conjunction but because. Number of people who play it, how it is played, why you like it, play it, how you think it improves your health. So you have to take all this thing as an int and you can make the sentence. For example, they have given here, I like cricket but I do not play it often. I like cricket because it is fun. There are batsmen, bowlers, fielders and wicket keepers. There are 11 of us on the field chasing a single ball. So like this, what is your favorite game? You can choose any one favorite game and write a passage. Okay children? So in this passage you have to use the word but and because. Next. So it is an exercise. You can see this in your companion book. Conjunctions. Rewrite the following situations using conjunction and, or, but, because. For example, I am going to drink some hot milk. I am not able to sleep. I am going to drink some hot milk because I am not able to sleep. So likewise, you can choose any one conjunction which is suit to the sentence. I went to school. It was closed. What will be coming here? How you can connect this two sentences? I went to school. It was closed. So these are the two contrasting ideas. When it is a contrasting ideas, what word we can use? Yes, very good children. But I went to school, but it was closed. Next, I did well in the exam. You helped me study. I did well in the exam. You helped me study. So it tells you a reason. Whenever there is a reason, what word we have to use? Yes, very good children. Because. So what is the answer? Yes, I did well in the exam because you helped me study. Next, Geeta wants to watch a movie. Rohini wants to go to the park. So these are the two contrasting ideas. So in such case, what you want to use? Geeta wants to watch a movie, but Rohini wants to go to the park. Next, I like learning English. I like poetry. So what will be the answer? I like learning English and I like poetry. So both things I like. Next, she went to old age home. It was her birthday. What will be the answer? It tells you a reason. Yes, she went to the old age home because it was her birthday. Rex does not play the drums. He plays the guitar. So, how we can connect these two sentences? Rex does not play the drums, but he plays the guitar. He's sad he lost his book. So it tells you the reason. So what will be the answer? He's sad because he lost his book. Very good, children. My uncle was very tired. He still fed the animals. My uncle was very tired, but he still fed the animals. Akshara wants to play. She's unwell and has been told not to. What will be the answer? Akshara wants to play, but she's unwell and has been told not to. Ramesh's father is late for work. His car broke down. Ramesh's father is late for work because his car broke down. It tells you the reason. Next, another one exercise from your book. Complete the given sentences using but or because suitably. Indicate whether the sentence expresses reason or contrast. An example has been provided. I was late to school because I missed the bus. It tells you the reason. So, you have to complete the sentence. I normally like to run, but I won't walk. But I walked today. So, it tells you the contrast. So, you have to write here contrast. Next one. He is always crying. Why is always crying? You have to complete a sentence. Because he don't like to eat. He is always crying because he don't like to eat. Not only this sentence, you can create your own sentence. Okay, children? I do not like the color yellow. Because I hate the color. I do not like the color yellow because. Why? What is the reason I hate the color? So you have to write here reason. Next, we played very well. What happened? But we lost the game. So it tells the contrast idea. I ran after my cat. Why you ran after the cat? Yes, it tells you the reason. Because it took my biscuits. So you have to write here contrast idea. I just ate my breakfast. But I want to drink juice. So it tells you the contrast idea. It tells you the reason. And you have to write here contrast. We went to the beach. Why you went to the beach? Because we loved to play there. So this tells you the reason. You have to write here reason. He is poor. Oh God. But he is happy. So to contrast idea, you have to write a contrast. The baby is crying. Why the baby is crying? Because she is hungry. So you have to write a reason. Vignesh is smart. But no one likes him. You have to write here contrast. Thank you, children. Meet you in the next session. Everybody should learn the grammar well and you have to write the answers in your studio as well as in your companion. Take care, children. Bye.